She said, where'd you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? And we're looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some fairy tale bliss, just something I can turn to, somebody I can kiss, something just like this.
Falcon! Candy floss for me. Let me just see if I can, don't touch that, it's on a video, see if I can get myself in there. Hold on. Oh, I'd like that. Trampolining. Apparently you can lose weight doing a load of trampolining. That's even better. 5 plays a pound, that's a good value. You could win a fluffy piglet. Oh! Right. Falcon! Crazy caterpillar. Do you want to stroke the doggy? Falcon! Do you want to stroke the dog? Falcon, viens là, dis bonjour enfant. Oh, he's off the other way. I'll slow into that. Never mind. Good. Batman. Ah, there he is. Right. Do you want to stroke the doggy? Falcon! There we go. Here we are. Oh, come here. Falcon! Dis bonjour, enfant. There we go. There we are. Voilà, mon petit chien. There. Ooh, it's a bit big, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like a horse.
Right. Right, where were we? Cash machine ATM. Falcon, la. That probably costs to use. I can't see with a shining light. You can't see on these screens. All these titchy iPhones and screens with a light. You can't read anything, can you? I don't know whether they charge. Those need £2. Oh,